What do you do when you're trapped in a hidden gem?
With no service and no way out. You go explore. Let's go.
Damn, this is
Wow.
gorgeous. Holy mackerel.
This is gorgeous.
We're definitely feeling the free.
Feeling the free for sure. Oh my gosh. This is what I envisioned when we thought about going full time.
Yes, absolutely.
This is totally out of our comfort zone. We've never been in places like this before. All right, let's go downward. Wow. Holy crap.
This is awesome. I've only seen this in movies. If you're new to our channel,
What's up? I'm Lori.
and I'm Ruben, and we are Life After Kids, Journey Unknown. We're a couple of empty nesters
AKA free birds. Ooh, ooh.
that got told to get a life by our kids.
So we did.
We sold everything, and we bought an RV.
Now we're out finding a purpose beyond parenting, as you can see.
Reigniting some passions.
Experiencing new adventures.
And just knowing everything's going to be all right.
That's right. Check this out. We are trapped.
Yeah,
We have no signal,
no signal.
but we are in a hidden gem.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Gorge.
Gorgeous.
So gorge.
Oh my gosh. Let's go keep on exploring.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh my gosh. Look at this.
This is cool as shit.
Oh my gosh. Are you guys seeing what we are seeing? Holy crap. Oh my word. Oh my word.
Oh my days. Welcome to our backyard.
How can you get better than this?
This is our life. Can you believe that shit?
I can say one thing about RV life, that this definitely has brought us closer together.
Indeed. I could see how this lifestyle would show the cracks in the chinks in the armor of relationships.
Oh yeah, I can see how that could magnify anybody's issues in their relationships prior to coming into this life. So if you're deciding to come into this life, make sure your relationship is in pretty good order before coming into this lifestyle. Definitely we would say we're loving it. We can't get enough of each other.
Yeah.
And it's just, look at this.
Feeling the free! Haha, yeah!
That's right, we are definitely feeling the free, baby.
Don't you guys want to feel the free?
Oh yeah. Look at that. Storm coming in. All right, I'm starting to feel sprinkles now. It's time to head back to the RV.
Head back to the RV.
Go have some lunch.
Yay, yay.
And then hopefully it will have passed, and then we can go out exploring some more. Till then. Well, the sun came out and the storm passed through. So now we got the e-bikes out and we're gonna go
On a ride. It's adventure time.
Let's go! First stop on our adventure on our hay bikes. Check this out, guys. Oh! Like, what the F? Right? Like, oh my gosh.
Life can't get any better than this.
This is freaking amazing, guys.
This is kick ass.
Wow.
So beautiful.
Oh, I wish you could be here to actually witness, because I don't know if video actually does it justice. It's so freaking gorgeous. Woo!
Yeah, baby.
Feeling it free!
Feel the free, baby. Woohoo! Yeah.
All right, we found a spot that we want to kind of just kick back and enjoy this beauty.
Yeah, I never thought I'd be enjoying this, you know, being out here in nature. But this is, there's really no words for it.
So if you think that you can't come out and do this, you can.
If I can, you can.
Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Look at that.
Right on the Sacramento River. Amazing.
Absolutely freaking beautiful. Don't you wish you were here? Woo! Okay, we're a little cold, guys.
Let me put my hands in your pants.
No.
Oh my God.
My hands are so freezing right now that I could barely tie this. I had to tie this over my hoodie because my eyes are crying.
Oh, it's so
Holy-
cold. Holy crap.
We weren't prepared for that. Okay, we got a few more miles to go.
Yeah. Hurry up before it gets dark, damn it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
It's in my mouth. I can't get it out. I got a nose running. My eyes are running. Oh my, I couldn't even see right now. I think I almost fell. Everything got blurry. Oh my gosh. I think we're freezing to death. We're going to have hypothermia. I think we have about 2 more miles to go.
About that, yeah.
Hopefully.
I just want to get home and turn the heater on and get warm.
I think it's farther. Shh. Don't tell him.
You're a jerk.
Oh shoot, he heard me.
Six and a half hours later.
Okay. We just got back.
Oh my God. That was a little over 4 miles of freezing ass, ice cold wind in our face.
Oh my gosh, my eyes are tired.
My hands hurt.
I know. We gotta get warmed up, make some soup, put the bikes away, and get warm. All right, so it's gonna get about, what did it say? About 20 degrees.
Roughly.
So we're gonna insulate every single window and every vent. Hopefully we don't freeze to death. If you have any other tips, please let us know, because we have no idea what we're doing. No clue. Hopefully this works. What?
Your hand is cold. If you're new to our channel, I'm Ruben. She never warns me. If you're new to our channel, I'm Lori. I get it.
Oh, grabbing his ass. Grabbing his ass.
That hand's all the way in there, Doc. You using just a finger? Okay.